Hey everybody, Bo Kislik here with Royal LePage Signature Realty. It's Monday, time for Bo Knows How to Make Money in the Market on Monday. Today we're going to talk about motivation, and I'm not talking about Tony Robbins, hoo-hoo, rah-rah motivation. I'm talking about motivation in life, motivation in investing, motivation in making your life better. And that is very, very important when especially investing, and especially investing in real estate. So lots of us get stuck in a comfort zone and we don't get motivated. We don't try to make our lives better. I deal with all kinds of people. I deal with immigrants. I deal with Canadians. I find that immigrants, as a general group, tend to be a lot more motivated and a lot more successful these days in lots of investment opportunities, such as real estate. So people come from a country where things are difficult, where opportunities are quite limited. You can't kind of work your way up. And they come to Canada where things are great, the world's your oyster. You can make magic happen here in Canada. And they get motivated because they can see that opportunities are plentiful and they can have a better life if only they follow the footsteps, get investments under their belt, and go ahead and reach for the Canadian dream. Canadians, on the other hand, as a group, not specifically to anybody, but as a group, tend to be more complacent. They tend to basically not want to get out of their comfort zone. When I work with Canadians, a lot of them start complaining to me that things are too expensive. Oh, well, this ceiling was too low. There was popcorn on the ceiling. It didn't have pot legs. The floors need to be redone. Minor things that basically keep them from doing what's good for them and achieving their dreams in the long run. So people that are motivated tend to do much, much better in life. People that are not motivated, they tend to complain. Everything is everybody else's fault. They don't do nearly as well in life. In real estate, there's a saying, no mo standing for motivation, no go. Basically, if you have an unmotivated client, you go out with them once or twice or three times, say to buy a property, or if you have an unmotivated seller that wants an unrealistic price, no go, just won't work out. Don't waste your time. Don't do it. I further that with no mo, no Bo, because Bo doesn't work with unmotivated people in the long run. I'll go out with people once or twice. If we don't click, if they're not motivated, if they don't want to listen, no Bo. So motivation will make people's lives better. Unmotivated people don't do nearly as well. Stay motivated and you will do much better in life. I hope you guys find this useful. I hope you guys get motivated. Please stay strong, stay safe, and we're going to see you next week, my friends.